welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a full face using one brand only. And we're going to be creating this look right here. And I'm calling this look a very chic holiday glam. She's very natural, she's very chic, but also that pop of red just screams holiday to me. And I'm really excited to film this video for you guys. Honestly, these types of makeup videos are probably my favorite videos to film just because it really allows me to like dig deep and explain to you guys why I truly love this brand. So for today's video, we are going to be covering COVERGIRL. COVERGIRL, get it? Get it? So thank you to COVERGIRL for partnering with me to create this video. I'm going to be sharing all of my favorite COVERGIRL products, including their brand new lipstick. This is what I'm wearing right now. This is the Exhibitionist 24-hour Ultra Matte Lipstick, and I'll share with you guys in a little bit what shade I'm wearing. But this look right here is like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this look, and I'm definitely going to be wearing this for Christmas time. All right, so we're ready to begin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's do this. All right, so first things first, we're gonna prime the face. I'm using this one from COVERGIRL. This is the True Blend Base Business Skin Primer. I'm mainly focusing this on the, I guess, the middle section of my face because that's where I tend to need it the most. Also, this primer is so hydrating. I love how it doesn't cake up my makeup, and it also provides just really nice moisture throughout the day, which is so key for me, especially during winter time. I tend to get really dry skin during the winter time. I just have a weird skin type, okay? You guys know, like during spring, summer, fall time, I have oily skin, but winter time, oof, you guys, my skin is a desert, okay? All right, so moving on to the eyes, we're gonna be starting with this little baby right here. This is from COVERGIRL, and this has definitely become one of my new favorites. This is the True Naked Queenship Cream Shadow Stick in Ombre, and I just love applying this all over my lids. It's so easy to use. It's something you don't have to think about. You just lay it on there and you're good to go. Especially for the holidays, I feel like you don't really have a lot of time to prep and get ready. There's either a holiday party you have to go to or see some friends for the holidays and catch up with them, and this is just the perfect thing to use, especially when you're in a rush and on the go. Oh, it's so good, you guys. It's so good. But we are going to take it up a notch. We're gonna take it up a notch a little bit. I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette. This is the True Naked Chocoholic, and this, by the way, is chocolate scented. Ooh, it smells so good. If I can have chocolate every single day without gaining weight, that's the dream right there. That is my dream. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that to the outer corners of my lids just to give it a little bit of a smoky effect. Next up, I'm taking this shade right here, which is the lightest shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using this to buff everything out and make sure there's no harsh lines. Moving on to the liner, I'm using this liquid liner from COVERGIRL, and I'm going to use this to create really nice thin cat eye look, and I'm going to bring it up just a teeny tiny bit just so it can give me that really nice flirty vibes look, if you will. Also, I think this liquid liner from COVERGIRL is the perfect liquid liner to use when creating something so thin because of the tip of it. It's so nice and so precise that it really allows me to really get in there and create the perfect thin line. I mean, not to toot my own horn, better like boop boop. For my lashes, I'm gonna be using these little babies right here just to add more drama to the look, and I'm just going to be popping these right on top of my natural lashes. So after I pop my lashes in, what I actually like to do is grab the bottom part of my brush. Any brush will do, actually, as long as it's thin like this. I like to lift it just like this, and I like to roll the brush just a little bit. It just gives you like that flirty vibe, you know? All right, so we're gonna move on and take a break from the eyes and now move on to the face. So first off, foundation. This is the COVERGIRL True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and I'm using the shade M50. I've been really loving this foundation lately, especially for the winter time. I feel like it gives me the perfect amount of coverage. It's not too light, it's also not too heavy. I also noticed that it doesn't cake up my face, which is really nice, but also at the same time, it's buildable. So if you want full coverage, then you can definitely get it from from this foundation. But if you're more of a lightweight foundation kind of gal, then this is also something that will definitely work for you. Moving on to concealer, I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Nude. So I'm going to be applying this to my under eye area and also the highlights of my face. And by doing this, it gives me the most perfect brightened up face. Like, this concealer never fails to give me that nice, bright, fresh look that everybody wants to achieve. It always looks like I had like 15 hours of sleep every time I use this concealer. Next, I'm gonna be using this to set my concealer. This is the True Blend Minerals Loose Mineral Powder, and I'm using the shade Translucent. And I'm mainly using this to set where I put the concealer, so that's underneath my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, and my chin area. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist, and I think I've mentioned this to you guys already, but ever since I started applying a setting spray in the middle of like my makeup routine, I've noticed such a huge difference. I really noticed that my makeup lasts so much longer throughout the day ever since I started doing setting spray in the middle, or like in between my makeup routine. So if you guys haven't started doing this yet, I highly recommend it because it's such a game changer. Also, this setting spray smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. It smells like expensive perfume to me. So if you're in the market for a brand new setting spray, definitely check this one out because I feel like it's underhyped. More people need to hype her up because she's so good. So here I am hyping her up, okay? So for my blush, I am just doing my regular baby pink baby doll blush color. Swoop, swoop. Oh, I think I did a little too much. Let's diffuse it. Okay, so for my brows, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I haven't been really doing much to them. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm like letting them grow out right now. That's why there's some hairs growing in. I've just kind of been letting it do its own thing. So today I'm just gonna be using this clear gel from CoverGirl. This is the Easy Breezy Brow. And that's pretty much it for my brows. I'm just using this gel to just kind of set them in so that they're not moving all over the place. Next, for my highlighter, I'm using the True Blend Super Stunner Hyper Glow, and this is in the shade Gilded Glory. And ever since I discovered this highlighter, honestly, I've been using it nonstop, and I get so many compliments every time I wear the shade because it's the perfect golden highlighter in my opinion. It's so soft, so luminous, and it also just gives me that really nice, natural looking highlight. Like, my skin is glowing, like I'm glowing from within, which is really nice. Next up, for my mascara, I'm using this one. This is the Exhibitionist Uncensored Mascara, and I'm using the shade Extreme Black. And I've been really enjoying this mascara, especially for my bottom lashes, mainly because, first off, it's really hard to find a mascara that doesn't smudge, okay? Whenever I use other mascaras for my lower lashes, I feel like once I hit that 5-hour to 7-hour mark, that's when it starts smudging for me. But with this mascara, I do not have that issue. It's smudge proof. It doesn't flake, and I find that it just has really good lasting power. So if you guys are in the market for a really strong mascara that won't let you down, okay? It won't let you down. Definitely check this one out. So last but definitely not least, you guys, we're moving on to the lips. I'm using the CoverGirl Exhibitionist 24-Hour Ultra Matte Lipstick, and I'm gonna be using the shade The Real Thing. And this shade, you guys, I feel like this is the perfect shade for the holidays. You bet that I'm gonna be wearing this for Christmas time because the shade is absolutely perfect, especially for this makeup look. One of my favorite parts about this lipstick is that it feels lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. You know how sometimes when you're wearing a lipstick, you can feel it dragging you down basically? But with this lipstick, it feels very light. Also, can we please talk about the pigmentation? I know you saw it. I know you saw it earlier. When I swiped it once, you saw the high pigmentation. So a little definitely goes a long way with this. Also, again, it feels comfortable. My lips feel moisturized. It doesn't feel dry whatsoever. And I'm in love. I'm in love. Alright, you guys, so that is officially it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, another big thank you to CoverGirl for partnering with me to create this video. You guys know CoverGirl is one of my ultimate favorite drugstore makeup brands, so the fact that they partnered with me again to create this video just means it means so much to me. So definitely check out the description box because I'm going to be listing all of the CoverGirl makeup products that I used to create this makeup look. Also, just in case I don't get to talk talk to you guys on here before Christmas time. I'm pretty sure I'm uploading either December 25th or the December 26th. I'm gonna be uploading my annual what I got for Christmas video, but just in case I don't get to talk to you before Christmas time, I want to say my Merry Christmases now. Let me get sappy really quick and wish you a Merry Christmas. 2019 was definitely one of the best years of my life, but also one of the most challenging years of my life, and I just really want to thank you guys for being there for me, for supporting me, for still watching me. I've been on YouTube for so long now, and the fact that you are still here watching this video just means the world to me. It means everything to me, and I'm just really honored and really grateful that you're still here watching me. So thank you, and I really appreciate you, whether you started watching me back in the day when I had my Hello Kitty background, when I was still living with my mom, or you just started watching me today. I really appreciate you, and yeah, I love you so much. Okay, I'm gonna stop before I start crying. Be sure to come back in a few days for a brand new video, and that is officially it. I love you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.